Hello students, good morning. I am Mandeep Singh Thakur from Electrical Engineering Department in Chandigarh Polytechnic College, Kurwan. In this subject, IMEE, Installation and Maintenance of Electrical Equipment. Today, we are studying about the uh, tools and accessories used for electrical installation. Let us start with the PPT. I'm sharing a PPT with you. Here we go. Students, in this lecture, we are studying about the tools and accessories used for electrical installation and maintenance. Uh, Electrical tools and equipments for any electrical task can be accomplished systematically to save time, effort, and resources. Most of the work cannot be done using bare hand. So we have to use the tools and some kind of accessories for electrical measurement, installation, and during the maintenance of electrical equipment. To do the task, electrical tools or equipments are needed to perform the job. This lesson will discuss the function or the use of each tool equipment used in electrical wiring installation. These are some tools I am mentioning in this electrical tools and equipment. First, we are explain. I am explaining you the screwdrivers, which are used to loosen and tighten the screws in narrow areas. The first kind is standard and flat screwdrivers. Standard and flat screwdrivers are the basic tools of engineer and electrician, which are used to loose and tighten the screws. Second kind is Phillips. These are some types of screwdrivers with long shaft, with small shaft, small head. Okay. Phillips screwdriver. It is also a basic tool. Next one is stubby screwdriver, and the next one is Allen screwdriver or wrench type screwdriver. Some other tools like hammers, wire stripper. Hammers are used for hammering. Wire stripper are used to strip the PVC insulation from the conductor. Electrician knife. It is a tool to cut or bend the electrical joints or electrical conductor in electrical installation. Portable electrical drill. Here there is a requirement of drilling. The portable electrical drill is fulfill the requirement. And hexa. Hexa is used for cutting the big cables, which are not cut by electrician knife or tool. And the next is pliers, combination plier, side cutting plier. As per the tool name, combination plier. Combination plier is a plier in which we can use it for multiple cutting, twisting or bending the joints or cables or wires. Side cutting pliers. In this plier, there is a cutter in the side neck of the plier. Long nose plier. Long nose plier are used where there is narrow space for uh, cutting the tools or to grip the small tiny wires in narrow space. It has a long nose or long head to grip the wire. These are the screwdrivers. These tools are made of steel, hardened and tempered at the tip, used to loosen or tighten screws with slotted heads. They come in various sizes and shapes as per the diagram. We can see that these tools like flatten head, star head, or narrow flatten head, or punched head kind of tools. Uh, let's explain these one by one. The first one is standard and flat screwdriver. The blade tip is wedge shaped or flattened and resembles a negative sign. Means uh, the tool head, when we see the tool from the head side, it is the diagram or figure, the symbol shown like negative sign. This is used to drive screws with a single slot head. Flattened head is given on its head. And the next one is Phillips screwdriver. Uh, this has a cross tip resembling a positive sign. This is used to drive screws with cross slotted head. The cross slotted head screws are sorry. The cross slotted screws are loosened and tightened with this star pointed head screwdriver. The next one is stubby screwdriver. This comes in either standard or Phillips screwdriver with short shank or blade and a shortened handle used to turn screws in tight or narrow spaces where a standard screwdriver cannot be used because of short circuit with other wire. This is the next type of screwdriver or wrench named as Allen screwdriver or wrench type screwdriver. This could be in shape of a screwdriver or wrench. Its function is to drive screws with hexagonal slot heads. These kind of screws we put these kind of screws or install on the high speed motors flanges uh, installed where the head is not come out and inside the flange. So it is very necessary tool and used maximally for high speed motors and generators. And the next tool is pliers. These tools are made from metal with insulators in the handle and are used for cutting, twisting, bending, holding, and gripping wires and cables. These are some kinds of these tools of pliers. Next is combination plier, or it is also known as lineman's plier. This is used for gripping, holding, and cutting electrical wires and cables, and even small nails pluck out from the wall or installation site. They are usually used by linemen in doing heavy tasks or heavy works. The next one is side cutting plier. As per its name, this type of pliers is used for cutting fine, medium, and big wires and cables. When we remove the insulation from the conductor or wire, this tool is used maximum. And the next type is long nose plier. This is used for cutting and holding fine wires. This can reach tight spaces or small openings where other pliers cannot reach, and is also used in making terminal loops of copper wires where tiny or narrow space. Hammers. These are some kinds of hammers. Like these are tools used in driving or pounding the and pulling out nails. They are made of hard steel wood, plastic, or rubber. And the next tool is wire stripper. This is a tool used for removing insulator of medium-sized wires ranging from gauge 10 to gauge 16. It is commonly used to strip the wire or strip the insulation from the conductor. Where the next tool is electrician knife. This is used by linemen to remove insulation of wire and cables in low and high voltage transmission lines. This tool is used for multiple purposes. As we see, this tool have a small tiny cross-headed screw tip and a cutter and a filling gauge type. It is a multi-purpose tool for electrician or lineman. The next tool is portable electrical drill machine. A small drilling machine with a chuck capacity of 1 by 4th inch to 3 by 8th inch. It is the size mentioned for small and narrow head. It is used in making holes on metal sheets and concrete walls where the installation took place. And the next tool is Hexa. Hexa, it is a cutting tool. This tool is used to cut metal conduits and armored placed on cable or armored wires or cables. Okay, this is very helpful for large scale cables or thick cable to remove the insulation or to cut and make the joint on the cable. This is for all in this lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you have any question about this lecture, you may free to ask. Thank you.